Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Griffin AI token or gain token on Binance Alpha. So as you know, Griffin AI just get listed on Binance Alpha, and if you want to buy it, I will show you how in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And first, you can open your Binance apps, and then make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to your search box here in the top, and then you can search gain for Griffin AI, and we'll find gain on alpha here. You can just click it, and this is the chart. So yeah, from the chart perspective, it's not really good, but if you want to see the details, you can just click info here in the top. You will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. For the volume, it's really good, I think, because it's 80 million in 24 hours. It's really good, and they have 1 billion total supply. Also, you can check their social media, their X account or Telegram, and also you can check their website, and you can also check their audit here. You can just click audit and you can read it. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here in the bottom, and then as you can see, there is a limit order. You can put the price here. It's up to you, the price you want to buy, and the amount here, it's up to you. And then you can click place order, and also if you want to instant buy, you can just click instant and you can swap your USDT or other token to gain. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.